Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to change your cover photo of Facebook without posting. So simply, first of all, what we need to do, just open your Facebook app, and now I want to change my cover photo. So just here you can see the camera button option, just click here. Now here I want to upload photo from device. You can also select photos on Facebook. So simply click here. Now here I want to upload my photo. Simply click on this. Now here you can see my profile cover photo is appeared here. So here you can see the option share your update to newsfeed. Just untick this. Now click on the save button. So here you can see uploading your cover photo. Just wait for a few seconds. Your cover photo has uploaded. Now simply go back to profile. So here you can see my cover photo is not updated here. So in some cases when your cover photo is uploaded on your profile here, so you can easily hide it from your profile, but you cannot remove it from publicly. So in this way you can change cover photo without posting on Facebook.